avanzato e ho trovato l'invaso. Oh partigiano, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. E se muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire e seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh bella ciao.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Seema speaking to you from Turtle Beach, and I have come here with my class fellows, and thanks to Bahadusan I'm having a great time with this amazing weather. Hi guys, today we are at Turtle Beach. Today was really fun. Actually we played a lot of games, there was inter-classes and I had a great time.
This was my first field trip in the senior level of WHSS, and I must say this was one of the best experience I have ever had in my life, and this was all thanks to our beloved seniors.